Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. Just come down quickly to see what's going on. Because the weather's changed now, I don't have to come down so often, so videos might be coming out just on a Monday and Fridays now. Or you might get the odd Wednesdays every now and then. So I planted some carrots a few, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and they were coming up, and because we had the voles problems in here, and then I just learned that the voles are vegetarian, so I think it's them what's ate off the tops of the carrots or just ate them off. So what I'm going to do today is put some new seeds in, water it over, and then I'm going to see if I can cover it over with cling film or something until they come out. It's going to be a bit difficult watering, but hopefully that. And then we've come down, we didn't see no voles last time, but my cameraman said he just saw one somewhere, but I'm going to put the garlic mixture and that down before I go. So just going to put some more carrot seeds in. These are berry plum, and I'm going to put some rainbow ones in as well. So I'm just going to do it very thinly because I don't want to put them grouping up together like last time. I always do that. So I'm just trying to get them as thin as I can, or thin them out. I don't know if they're going to grow or not, but if they come, they come. I'm not really bothered. When you buy carrot seeds, you do get quite a few. So if I can thin them out as much as I can, then I don't have to pull out any. Even if I get small carrots, I don't mind, because that's what I really like, when they're small. So I'm going to do this, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've put some seeds in. Then I found, I was going to use the cling film, but it wouldn't work. So I found some old stiff netting, and I put it over and clipped it in. It needs a bit more clip, so I think they can still, might be able to push their way through there, but hopefully they'll see it as a deterrent, and then hopefully I'll just keep an eye on that. This bed here, I've got my broccolis in there, and I don't know, it looks, I'm not sure if something's eating them or they're breaking off. So I've got some spinach out there, and I'm going to put a few along the side and see how they're growing here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've put in some spinach in there. I've still got some out there if I need to. I just want to see if it's all right in here. If it's all right in here, because once I start taking out these lettuce, I might put another lot in. I don't know if you get lettuce through the winter, but they're inside. So right, this is my mixture, what I mixed up. It's garlic, chili peppers and castor oil. I mixed that up for the voles. I have to come out of here because it really reeks of garlic now. So what I'll do, I'll just leave that and then close up the polytunnel, and hopefully that'll keep them out. I put some in cotton wools in the bed, just in case it's them what's eating these broccoli stalks. I picked some tomatoes here, which was the ones what I thought was alright, but they're just gone soft and squishy, so I don't think they're going to be any good. I think the blight got to everything. So right, I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've just come out and looked at my flowers and just noticed that one of them's flowering. Nice white flower there, and everything still coming along nicely. I just got to give everything a quick water. I just went round and saw a few rhubarb stalks, so I'm going to take that and use them straight away when I get in. When I get in, as long as my daughter's not in the way, she's making stuff every single day. She's in the way, making breads and all that. So if she's not in the way, then I'll got some pears outside, so I'll make some pear and rhubarb drink with those when I get in. So if you're liking our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. I've got these Romanescos cauliflowers out here. If anyone knows anything about them, please leave it in the comment section if I should take the cover off, because they look like they're getting pressed down, and I think I might have to take the thing off, but I'm just worried about my other charge and all that with the slugs and snails when it rains. So that's all I've got to do up here. There's not much you can do, just getting everything ready for winter. Oh yeah, I had all these to pull out, didn't I? I had these tomatoes to pull out. Now I'm so weak. I had these tomatoes to pull out with the blight, but you meant to, I put them in this tub because I'm gonna bring a black bag for them and then take them down the tip. Not planting any tomatoes up here anymore. It seems like a common thing over this side. I see some people getting some nice tomatoes, but like me, you can see everywhere just the blight. So just putting them in this tub for now until when so that they don't spread anywhere else. So that's those out of the way. So I don't know why they do that every year. Well, last year they did it, and then this year again, so what can I say? Got my lily there. You can see how it's growing nice. It hasn't flowered, but I can see it's sending out spikes from the roots, so it likes it there, so I'm leaving that there. Just got to work around it when I do over this bed again. You see, we done over this bed, and you can see this is the constant problem what you have, but it's more easier to weed it out from the grass, from the manure, than it is from the when they're into the soil, so next time we'll get on top of that. So don't see no corns or anything to take, so we'll just have to leave it at that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoying our videos. Please remember, we might only be doing videos on Mondays, and I did see these courgettes. They grow so quick. They grow so quick, so that's another courgette. I'm the only one what's eating them. So we've got a few things to take home. If we come round here, I see these peas are browning off now, so I want them to dry so that I can get the seeds. So I'm going to pick these, take them home, put them in my conservatory, and hopefully we all get seeds for next season. Didn't realise that there was so many gone to seed. So see, that's how what you want. You want to see the lumps, and then you just have to leave them to dry, somewhere to dry. Take the seeds out, and then let the seeds dry off, and then you've got seeds for your next season. I'm starting to see some new ones coming too, so it's mostly the lima beans now what's left, but I can see that they're coming anyway. So we call them, well, most people call them lima beans, we call them butter beans. You can see they're starting to get the beans in them, but it's a slow process with them this year. I don't know why. They're still flowering and everything, so still see them flowering and everything, so that's how it goes. Right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.